Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I'm working with UNiCE hair on Amazon. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video today. They sent me over this wig, y'all. This ombre highlighted 13 by 4, 22 inches. It's giving everything. It's so freaking beautiful. This wig is so beautiful. Like I honestly, I'm trying to look at y'all, but I keep staring at me. Over here, stay focused. No, this wig is so freaking gorgeous. I love it. It curled beautifully. If you guys want to see me unbox this and install it, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram there so you can follow me. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram because I post all my wigs on Instagram and you're going to want to see them, okay, on the gram. So go ahead and follow me on Instagram as well. Thank you so much for coming to my channel and let's get into this video. Let's go. So with your wig, you will get a makeup brush right here, a edge wrap. We got some lashes behind here and a wig cap. So of course, we have the wig. So the wig from UNiCE today is a 13 by 4 transparent lace wig, 22 inches, and it is a highlighted number. Ooh. Okay, so first let's get into the edges. It does look pre-plucked. Definitely looking pre-plucked. We have a 13 by 4. The knots are bleached, as you can see. Adjustable band. Adjustables as well. We have 3 combs inside as well, left, right on the bottom, and then some extra lace down here that I usually just clip off. But yes, so we have our highlighted number today. This hair feels so good. I'm gonna tell you right now, this hair feels so soft. The edges look really good. Oh my gosh, I wish you guys could feel this hair. It is like butter. It is like butter. All right, so this is a 13 by 4 body wave high ombre highlighted wig. Check out the ends. It is 22 inches. I cannot wait to put this on. So even though it is bleached, the knots are already bleached, I am gonna go in and put just like a little bit of foundation in the center here. Maybe not so much on the edges, but just in the parting area that I'm gonna use. I'm gonna put some foundation there, and then I will come back and then we're gonna style this baby together. But I'm just gonna say off the dribble, it's giving body yaddy yaddy. It feels like money and it looks good. It's definitely giving Beyonce, of course. Hold on, I'm gonna take her with me. Let's go. All right, I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so I'm all done with the hair. This is how it turned out. Let's just be honest, just be real here. This wig looks so damn good. This wig looks so good. Excuse me? Excuse me? Yes, body yaddy yaddy. Excuse me? Excuse me, lace? Hold on. Excuse me, a lace? She's giving all I ever wanted for Christmas was this wig. All I ever wanted for Christmas was this wig. That's what it's giving. It's so freaking cute. This wig looks so good. This wig looked like I went to the salon and got it done. I paid $1,000 for this wig. I paid $1,000. Wow. Okay? This wig looks so good, you guys. And look at the lace. Look at the edges. The edges look good. The ear tabs. It's comfortable. It's laying flat. It is absolutely gorgeous. And it's just so, just luxe. Ooh. Not me trying to get my curls perfectly right, okay? It's holding a curl beautifully. It just looks so good. I love it so much. I love it so much. This is from UNiCE Hair on Amazon. I will have the direct link in the description box below, so make sure you guys do not skip the description box, okay? There will also be a discount code down there for you guys as well, so make sure you guys check that out. Oh my gosh, thank you UNiCE Amazon for sponsoring this video and sending me this wig. She is absolutely gorgeous, and if you guys don't think so, you must be blind. What? This wig is everything. But all right, thank you guys so much for coming to my channel. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.